how to reset password on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's get started. Open up your Reddit app and then head over to your profile icon in the top right corner. Now go to the three lines in the top right. So there, go to settings. Now you'll need to tap on your account settings. Tap on change password. Now you'll need to put in your current password and then put in a unique new password. Make sure it has uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers and symbols as well, and confirm the new password and hit save. So it's as simple as that to reset password on Reddit. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.